Jardins House, a masterpiece by Stemmer Rodrigues Arquitetura, is a testament to the harmonious coexistence of architecture and nature. This residence, nestled amidst lush greenery in Xangri-lá, Brazil, is a dream come true for a woman deeply passionate about vegetation. The project's name perfectly encapsulates its essence, as gardens seamlessly integrate into every aspect of the living space. The house is divided into 2 floors, with a total constructed area of 407 square meters. Its exposed concrete structure is complemented by warm wooden elements and expansive glass windows, allowing natural light to flood the interior. A series of gardens, both external and internal, create a flowing transition between the various spaces. The external garden, located near the walkway, is followed by a semi-internal garden beneath the canopy facade, providing privacy to the entrance hall, office, and powder room. A Xangri-lá pergola, covered in glass, leads visitors into the main volume of the residence. These gardens, sheltered from the wind, are ideal for cultivating herbs, spices, and fruit-bearing trees, attracting both birds and residents. The ground floor features a spacious living room with an integrated kitchen, as well as the master suite, which opens onto a patio and the pool. Upstairs, the residence offers additional suites with stunning lake views and an intimate lounge, ensuring privacy and comfort for guests. The extensive use of glass sliding doors blurs the boundaries between the interior and exterior, creating a seamless flow of space. A small grassy area with medium-sized vegetation extends the living room outdoors, while the curved pool reflects the serene lake beyond. Sustainability was a guiding principle throughout the project, influencing both technical and design decisions. The architectural form was carefully designed to maximize solar orientation, ensuring thermal comfort and minimizing the need for artificial climate control. Additionally, the project utilized local materials and labor, supporting the regional economy. Thank you for watching this video about Jardins House by Stemmer Rodrigues Arquitetura. I hope you enjoyed learning about this amazing project and the unique relationship between architecture and nature. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos about architecture, design, and sustainability. See you next time.